gotta read who it's from, though, baby. Okay, when you open them, turn around and open them towards us, please.
Rudolph. From Aunt Jane, Santa, Uncle Bobby. Oh yes, a Walmart gift card.
Oh.
$25.
Okay, make sure you put it where.
Put it right here.
You get a gift card, Bob?
Yes. Same one. Yeah.
What is it? You got it, huh?
Yeah.
Let me see it.
That's what you wanted? Oh my goodness. What is it, Mom?
Minivan.
You got the minivan. That's for me and Daddy, baby.
This one's from Santa too.
I think it looks like all the ones with his face are from him.
Huh?
Looks like all the ones with his face on them are from him.
Yeah. Mom, and then little babies can sit here. Oh yeah. This is Battleship. Battleship?
Oh.
Please say this. This is a pet. It says from Santa.
Battleship.
That cool. Macaroni Fancy Nancy. Like macaroni.
What's that, Marissa?
What is it, baby?
Hey, games.
Oh, a fancy Nancy game.
Fancy Nancy Games.
Hey, bring the paper, sister.
I'm just coming out to get my Zuzu pet.
I know.
Pop it.
You got Bop It?
That's one of my favorites. Whoa. Three-headed hydronoid. Holy macaroni.
Oh.
Three-headed hydronoid.
No fair.
Whatever that is.
I'll give you my hydronoid. No way. Oh, you must have circled that on the paper, William. Huh? You must have circled that on the paper. I didn't even put that on. Santa, this stuff is good like a Zuzu pet. This is not a Zuzu pet. Awesome.
Oh, God.
Oh, I didn't need to see that this early.
I guess
Eagles
you knew you were
backpack.
an Eagles fan, huh?
Mommy, I have a little drawing board.
Oh.
And look at heaviness in this.
Cool.
Screecher.
You got Screecher.
Sweet. That wasn't
Screecher.
what he wanted, but he wanted the other one. But if you put him in the wrong spot, he
Spits.
He spits.
Some type of
If you
dinosaur
spit
that
in the
spits.
head, it'll go like. That's cool. That's cool. The special one are probably in the back.
They're the ones from Mama and Papa.
Huh?
The ones in the red are in Mama and Papa.
Oh. Got to do the pet holder.
Oh.
That's really hoping for cool. That though.
Oh, look at that, buddy.
That,
Hoping for that though.
William, what is it?
The 3-in-1 Bold Ash shower gel and body wash.
Shower gel and body wash. Bakugan style.
Yeah.
Yep, you can see your Rowdy's really interested in it.
Oh, you got one.
What you get?
Now I can definitely call it Toto.
What you get?
Ooh. Mom, now I definitely can call it
She got a new Zuzu pet.
This has a skin like Toto.
Oh, cool.
William, what you get?
I hope I get the playset. Ooh, I'm going to get the playset.
Some more Bakugan stuff.